Hello everybody, welcome back to the Living Like Larry YouTube channel. I'm Larry and today I'm bringing you a recipe for crab and artichoke and asiago cheese dip. It's one of my favorite appetizers when we go to the coast to seafood restaurants. I always love this. And to start it off, I'm going to get the bread ready. You can use Italian bread or crackers of your choice to top this with. I'm using this I bought at Kroger's, Artisan Baguette. I'm slicing it with the right knife this time, a bread knife. And pieces like this. And I'm going to coat them with just a little bit of olive oil. Like such. And I'll put them in the oven, preheated at 400 for about 5 to 10 minutes. Not very long, just enough to give them a little crisp and let that olive oil bake in. And after I get that, then we're going to get with how I make the crab dip. Thank you for joining me. If you like this recipe or any of my trips or oddities of Ohio or famous places I go, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Okay, next thing I'm doing is I'm getting all my ingredients ready. I got to get 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. Go ahead and keep recording. About another half tablespoon of parsley. Okay, there's our parsley. And we also want to get our chives ready, which I just use the green of a green onion. Work just the same. And this is just going to be used as a garnish, but I'll get it ready now. And just enough to sprinkle on your finished dip. There. And there you have that. And that is my parsley, 2 tablespoons, and my garnish of chives. And also to go into the mixture, I'm going to cut up, fine chop up, 1 cup of artichoke hearts. Okay, now we're going to mix the ingredients for the sauce to start off with. I'm going to go with 8 ounces of cream cheese. I use 1 container of Philadelphia cream cheese. At room temperature, you want it soft. So hopefully it falls off into here nice and easy. Yes. Good. I got it on the blender, but that's all right. Okay, we're also going to add 1 cup of sour cream. 1 cup of mayo. And I have this mixture here we're going to add in here. It's 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. That's going to go in there as well. And then also 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. And that's what we're going to mix right now to start with. So I will put this on here. Somehow. There. Goes on. Now we're Move this up and turn it on. Good?
Yep.
Looks pretty smooth to me. Okay, I'm going to break this down. I've got some more to add to it now. So the next step, I'm going to add to this mixture the parsley, the artichoke heart, finely chopped, the asiago cheese, 1 cup, and 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Now I'm going to pulse this really slow, mix this really slow, so it doesn't get too smooth. I just want that mixed in there. Alright, that should be good. We just want that mixed in. We don't want it to be smooth. Alright, what I'm going to do now is add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in. Squeeze a little bit more. Alright, that's about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now stir it a little bit. Get that in there. And then I'm going to add a pound of crab meat. You can get this from fresh crab or processed pasteurized crab, as long as it is real crab. I guess you could use imitation if you would like to. So, and we don't want to mix that in with the mixer because we don't want that crab meat to get all smushed. We want to mix that crab meat in there. There you got your nice crab mixture. We still have 1 mixture to go. Okay, and now we're going to get our topping ready. So we're going to take the remaining ½ cup of asiago cheese, ½ cup of panko bread crumbs, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to mix that in a bowl. Okay, that looks pretty good there. And now we get ready to bake. In the meantime, I still have the oven preheating at 400. We're going to take the dip now and put it into a baking dish. It's all good in here. And I'll even it out. Bowl, this baking dish here. And then I will add the topping. And now it's ready to go into the oven. Like I said, the oven is at 400. Here, got that, and we'll bake this for about 15 minutes until the breadcrumbs are golden brown. Okay, so we pulled this out of the oven, looking good. So there it is, nice and toasty on the top. Now we'll just top it off with some garnish. The next thing is give it a try. Nice and hot. Let's see how it tastes. Here. Put that on. Very good. Delicious. Here is your asiago cheese, and crab dip. Very good for appetizer or for a delicious snack. Thanks for watching Living Like Larry.